Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indihar, Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our weekly update. We're well into 2024, and it's really going to be a fantastic year. According to the Milpitas Post, they had a great article. It says lots of optimism about the 2024 housing market, and we're seeing that. I attend the Thursday morning brokers meeting for the realtors that are in the North Valley, Milpitas area. And our meeting just a few days ago, we talked about the high traffic flow coming in with open houses, the fact that more buyers are being pre-approved to get financing to purchase homes. So creating a huge demand for housing in our area, one that we haven't seen for quite a few years. So it's going to be an amazing year for sellers. So let's look at the average home price. In December of 2023, the Milpitas home price was $1,484,000. So that's a bit lower than it was just a few months ago. It kind of fluctuates. I'm not really concerned about it really going down, but I do think that that's a benchmark, and we're going to see that pricing go considerably up toward the spring and summer of this year. And then the condo price was a little bit lower than $1 million, $934,000. So those have adjusted a little bit. What might be an important feature to add to your home? And let's talk about the garage. If your home is vacant, which a lot of my sellers choose to move out of their homes, and then we stage the home up inside and do it vacant. The property on Shenandoah, the one that got the 35 offers and almost 200,000 over list, they had an amazing garage. He had the floor painted. The walls were all sheetrocked and insulated, the walls and ceiling. He had a drop-down staircase for storage up above in the garage. And I remember watching a lot of the buyers that came through the open house and how amazed they were at the garage. So the San Jose Mercury News pointed out an article titled Factors to Consider Before Renovating Your Garage. So I thought that was kind of interesting. And it's something you may want to consider. I don't think it's very price expensive to do, but here's the ideas that they bring about. Look for the appeal. Many homeowners understandably want their homes to have many amenities and lifestyles, and so people still like to park their cars in the garage, so making that inviting is very important. Function of the space. Make sure the storage on the sides allow for parking for the cars in the garage, and the space can be for storage. In the existing space, when mulling a garage renovation, contact a local garage conversion expert. You know, there's some people that really know how to lay that out and make it very usable, just like a closet design. There's a closet design companies that come in and renovate the closets to give more space. That's the same with the garage. And storage is a big issue. The renovation experts estimate that the average garage remodel costs around $18,000. So I do think that's a great investment, particularly the epoxy floor. And then, of course, the sheetrock and the painting of the garage is really a nice factor to add to a home and to the beauty of the property. So let me talk about the 4 listings that I have coming up. I'm really excited about. We're working on getting things ready. First one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath on Bliss Avenue in Milpitas. It's in the Senate Elementary School, and that's the first open house I'll have coming up. That is $1.6 million is that property. And then right behind that, I've got a property on Abbott Avenue. That's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, about 2,100 square feet. We'll be getting the key next week, so I'll check to see if we need to do any flooring or painting or prepping for that one. So that will be next. And then 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. I've been talking about that for many months. The seller's in the process of moving out. That's in the Hillcrest area. That is a little over 2,150 square feet. 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's got the bedroom and bath downstairs, a 3-car garage, great neighborhood. So that would be a really nice property. We're going to prep that up, and that price point is 2.2. And then I have coming on the market after that will be a property on Beaver Creek Way in San Jose. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse in the Berryessa area. And I priced that right below $1 million. I like the number 998-8888. So that will be ready in March. They're getting ready to move out the end of February. So got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm anxious to work for you. If you give me a call, 408-945-8988, we can schedule an appointment. I like to go through your property. It's never too early to get started or to consider what we need to do to get that ready for the great market that we've got for this year. So talk to you soon, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.